What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back once again with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the brand new 2019 MacBook Air. Now if you guys are interested in seeing this model benchmarked and compared against the previous model, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload that video. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So with the new model MacBook Air, the price has actually decreased from what was £1,249 down to around £1,100. Now what that gets you is a 1.6 GHz dual core 8th generation i5 processor which can turbo boost to a speed of around 3.6 GHz. And for an additional £200, you can double the storage from 128 GB to 256. But enough about that, let's crack the box open and see what comes included with the new MacBook Air. And in traditional Apple fashion, the MacBook itself is presented first and foremost on top. And popping that out of the box, we got our first look at what included accessories come with the new MacBook. Now the first thing included with the MacBook Air is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of around 2 meters, and as it's USB-C it can be used for both charging and transferring data. Now taking a closer look at the box, you will find your documentation envelope, which of course encloses all of the documentation. The first of these is a quick start guide which will give you a general overview on how to set up the machine along with the ports that can be found on it. This is then followed up by 2 color matching Apple stickers, which is color matched to the chassis of the MacBook Air. Also you can find regulatory information in both English and French, and of course some details on your 1-year Apple Limited warranty. And the next item to be included in the box is of course your 30-watt USB-C power adapter. By using this power adapter, you should be able to charge up the MacBook from 0 to 100% in approximately 3 hours. The power adapter is comprised of 2 individual components, meaning that the end user can use an extension cable, or if they are traveling, they're able to swap out the plug for the country that they travel to. Now if you guys are interested in seeing what the battery life is like on the new MacBook Air, then be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified when I upload and release my full and in-depth review of this product. And if you did like the video, then be sure to hit the like button. Also, if you guys have got any questions, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you could hit me up on my social media. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.